guys, welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today I'm bringing you a freebie alert. No, I am not going to do the full video on this one because actually I got another video that I'm supposed to send out to you all later on today, but we did want to make you aware of this alert. Now, these free watch faces are going to be located in the Gear Manager store on the home page. You can't miss it. It's 6 free watch faces and they normally cost a little bit from $1.50 all the way up to like $2.20, but these are the watch faces you're going to get. Number one is going to be Futurum Neon Green. I like this effect. Very different, very unique, and it's kind of stylish for an analog watch face, right? I like it. Number two is going to be Futurum Sport Style. I like this digital look. I like the yellow theme. It's going to give you your step status info as well. Now, number three is called FH Water Balance. Now, I like this look. Now, this design out of all of them, it's going to be really, really unique. You got to check this one out. I'm telling you, this one is worthy of a download, but it gives you all the information that you can ever want out of a watch face: step status, time, and more. Now, number four is called Rabo Digital 013. Now, this is a digital watch face. Has a nice meter on it as well. It's going to give you a step status, your heart rate, all the important information that you normally look for out of a watch face. You will get out of this one. Again, this one's going to run you $2.20 out the gate if you don't download now. Okay, now the last one, well, not the last one. This one here is the fifth one. It's called Rabo Digital 014R. I do like this black and red theme though. It looks really, really nice for a digital time. Again, you're going to get your step status, everything that you want out of a watch face. Most people like this step status information. I like it. I can kind of take it or leave it, but I do like this theme. It'll go nicely with a red and black outfit that I may be wearing this weekend. Who knows? Now, last but not least, this one is called Rabo Digital 012. Now, I like the look of this one. I do like the design. I like the layout of all the information. Step status info is right at the top, very legible. And then you have your information meter so far as your battery and your step go. And down at the bottom, you do have a very legible digital time. And if I had to pick a favorite out of all, the last one would probably be the one that I would wear the most. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. Go ahead and download your freebies right now because this is more than likely a limited time offer. All right, you all, enjoy your Monday. Continue to keep grinding, and I see you all at the end of the day. Take care.